The trial of two Canton police officers who were accused in the death of Frank Tyson is now delayed.
It was set to start next month, but a newly appointed special prosecutor made his first appearance today.
News 5 investigator Tara Morgan has been following this case since the beginning.
Yeah, and we just shared with you yesterday how the special prosecutor process works, and we found something you'll want to hear about, an op-ed that may raise questions.
I, Raymond A. Grogan.
In a Stark County courtroom, Marion County Prosecutor Ray Grogan is sworn in. Prosecutor Kyle Stone stepped aside, citing hostility by Canton police toward his office, but never gave concrete examples. Grogan is now playing catch-up in the case against officers Bo Shonegi and Camden Birch.
I have not had the opportunity to digest the file in its entirety.
The officers are charged with reckless homicide in the death of Frank Tyson while in custody in April 2024. Grogan says he just got full access to the case file on Thursday.
This case has now been pending. The death of Mr. Tyson took place in April of 2024. This case has been pending for over a year.
Could there be more hiccups? In 2024, Grogan wrote an op-ed piece in the Columbus Dispatch on a deadly police shooting case out of Franklin County. In the article, Grogan was opposed to retrying a former Franklin County deputy accused of shooting and killing a man. He wrote, quote, "This ideological lust for vengeance is indefensible, and second-guessing decisions made by well-intentioned officers and threatening them with prison time could lead to officers being hesitant."
Prosecutors have to walk this fine line.
Michael Benza is a criminal law professor at Case Western Reserve University. He says it's tough to say whether this op-ed is a conflict. As elected officials, Benza says prosecutors are political, but have an obligation to be fair and impartial and should not accept the assignment if they can't be.
We assume, until we know otherwise, that everybody is acting in good faith and within the rules of ethics and within the bounds of the law, that before he accepted this appointment, the prosecutor made that decision that he could, in fact, zealously and impartially prosecute this case, even if he had taken different political position.
Should Frank Tyson's family be concerned?
Yes.
The Tyson family has their own attorney under Marcy's law that protects victims' rights.
They may have their own doubts as to how zealous this prosecution may be going forward.
Grogan may have one of his assistant prosecutors help out.
I will make every effort to review this matter thoroughly.
And I did ask Grogan about the op-ed, but since there is a gag order in this case, he wouldn't talk. We expect Grogan to file a motion to continue the trial. I'm News 5 investigator Tara Morgan.